This is the triple spoon flip.
Okay guys, you just saw the clip where Chase is putting up our Christmas lights. It's a gorgeous day here. It's Saturday and it's like 71 degrees, so it's the perfect day to put up Christmas lights. It's 2:30 now and my family just left. I was gonna say finally left. We love them here. They just left about 20-30 minutes ago, and I walked in the guest bedroom to go ahead and vacuum and start cleaning it up, and all my sister's clothes were still hanging in the closet. And first I thought, oh, it won't be anything she needs, and then I sold their jackets. So we jumped in the car and we're meeting her like halfway, because she lives in Oklahoma City and she's not that far yet, but we're gonna meet her halfway so she doesn't have to drive all the way back out here to our house. So we're doing that now. Savannah, are you sad the girls left? Yeah. They'll actually be back though next weekend, and I think the weekend after that. So that's what's nice about this time of year. There's a lot going on. I also wanted to mention that my giveaway's listed. So don't forget to go watch on that video. I'll link it up high and down below in my description box. So if you guys want to click on that, I got some fun goodies we're giving away. Oh,
or cash. Whichever
or cash. Yeah, there's option A or B, or I think Chase worded it as 1 or 2, so you guys can pick that out. And I also wanted to mention right now that we are doing there's a whole group of us doing a giveaway on Instagram, and it's a $300 Visa gift card, which is perfect for the holidays. I know all of you guys are shopping and all that, so definitely head on over to my Instagram page and check that out.
Don't you look at that? I said, my friend, what you looking at? I think she is something for me. Excuse me, miss, it's my first time here. Maybe you can show me out of here. I think she got something in me. So please forgive.
Okay, we're back home, so I thought I'd show you. I put this is a pre-lit tree that I stuck out here on my porch. I think it'll look pretty lit up. And then we also wrapped these 2 bushes with lights, and then the rest are bicycle lights. So I'll try to get it tonight when we turn the lights on. It's kind of hard at night, but I'll try to film some of that so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay guys, it's Sunday. I failed at vlogging yesterday. I was so tired. Once we met my sister, we came home and I had to hurry and work on my cleaning video to get it up for today, which is actually Sunday. And then I had so much laundry, and Savannah wasn't feeling well, Chase isn't feeling well, and I just completely dropped the ball. Plus last night we were waiting for our lights to pop on because we have them on timers, and they weren't coming on. We finally walked out and only like one peak was on, and so we were trying to figure out what was wrong. Chase had to take them down, redo them. It was just a long night. I had stuck in cookies for us to eat that evening and forgot, and came outside trying to help Chase with the lights, and we completely burnt the cookies. I don't know, it was just a long evening and we were exhausted, so I never picked up the camera again. So we're gonna go ahead and continue on in today, and this will be up tomorrow for you guys to watch and see. I was just getting ready, and I keep forgetting to tell you guys about this. I had bought this from the Dollar Tree to do Savannah's makeup when she was a rock star, because it had blue in it, but it has like a lot of grays and even this white right here, and I'm loving it. It's $1. Now you may have to freshen it up, like if you put it on first thing in the morning and then you're going out later that evening, I do have to sometimes reapply it, but for $1 it's got a lot of colors and they are really pretty on. I like when I find cheap things like that. Chase is sitting here by me. If you guys don't know, my dad has a YouTube channel. It's called Bill of Rights. I'll link it down below. But he is putting up a new video, so we're kind of adding some ads and stuff for him. But he's reviewing Harbor Freight tools, which I feel like it's perfect timing. I don't think he did it for Christmas ideas, but if you have a husband or a boyfriend or a dad or anything like that and you want to buy him tools, he's doing review on Harbor Freight tools, so definitely go check that out. I'll link his channel and that video down below. What else? So yeah, we're all kind of sick. I've woke up like every day with a headache. Chase and Savannah have like a nose, itchy eye thing. But the lights are up and working, so I'll show you a clip of that later tonight. We're just gonna watch church on the computer because I don't want Savannah to get worse or get anybody else sick. We have dance pictures this week, Monday and Tuesday. So it's just a busy week and a lot going on, but I did want to jump on here and tell you it is the next day because I failed, but even better, you guys get 2 days instead of 1. Okay, I thought I'd show you guys the state of my house right now because it is not clean. I got all sorts of stuff going on in there. This room is almost clean, but the sheets aren't on. I've got to do the sheets. I've got them clean from our guest. I just haven't put them on, which we all know how much work that is. That's why they're not on. And then you walk in here, and Chase was filming the intro for this video. So my dining room's kind of a mess. My kitchen, I don't even know why that cabinet's left open. And here, that's my sign for my front porch. It is so windy outside, and it was like slamming up against the house, so we took it down so it wouldn't fall. The rest of this isn't bad. I did set this back up when my family was in town. I could not find a coffee table anywhere. I'm still on the hunt, but I just wanted something in here for people to have a place to sit their stuff. And then here's my bedroom. My bed's still not made. We've got Elf's house shoes. Chase's closet. I've got like Christmas gifts thrown in there that I bought. We bought this air mattress at Walmart on Black Friday for $47 and it is awesome. We had some of the kids sleeping on it while they were here. Savannah's back here taking a bath, but I wanted to show you her room. Yep, not one clean room in my house right now, and I honestly don't even feel like cleaning it up, but I think I'm gonna spend about 30 minutes and do a half power hour and get it clean and ready to go and start some more laundry.
So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time, but you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than who we are, so much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart at the rise above it all. Got me saying, hey, girl, will you marry me? 2 kids in a house and live happily. I think we are so meant to be. But she says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me. I'm telling you this now. You don't need to worry, 'cause I got this all down. And we get on together. And we can look so amazing. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all. And we can. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all. And we can.
Okay, I've got my dining room picked up. My kitchen's clean. Chase is taking out the trash. My living room wasn't that bad. I need a vacuum, but that sign I can't put out until the wind stops. I got my bedroom clean. And then Savannah's bedroom is nice and clean. It's only been probably about 15 minutes and she's still back there in the bath. So this side of the house is done. Now I gotta go work on the other side. So we're in the car headed to pick up lunch because we're sick of leftovers and I think they're pretty much all
I was gonna say, I
gone.
don't think we have any left.
No, I think they're gone now. I mean, we have like desserts left, but we can't eat those for lunch. We could, but I think my headache would get even worse.
Yeah.
So, and I think all my like vanilla, like non-chocolate desserts are gone. So Chase has like chocolatey stuff
We have
left.
some pumpkin pie. And some
We do have
chocolate
pumpkin pie. I'm not a big pumpkin pie person. I love pumpkin bread, but I don't like pumpkin pie. Or maybe I do now. Maybe I need to just try it. It's been a while. But yeah.
Hey, let me know what you guys think of that trick shot in the comments section. I worked hard on that one for you.
Yeah. Typically they're pre-filmed, but we've been so busy that he actually filmed that one today.
I'm
So
doing
it's
it like
going
the
up
day
with
of
it.
or the day
Yeah.
before.
It doesn't always work out that way. So, you guys, I've got a headache. It's a long day. It's a very, very long day. I feel exhausted. We started Thanksgiving really early with Chase's family, and then my family came in and we hosted, and family stayed with us, and then we went Black Friday shopping, and then I stayed up late all Thursday night editing the Black Friday shopping giveaway video. I don't know, I'm like working from behind, so every time you guys see a video, I'm like literally putting it up the night before, so I'm tired. Tired.
It's been busy.
I was gonna ask you guys, I'm possibly thinking about filming like a gift guide video for Christmas. Do you guys want to see one? I know everybody has them, so you may not want to, but if you do, leave it down in the comments so I can get one filmed for you. But now we're gonna go eat because I'm starving and I'm getting mean hungry.
You had me at a low. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue.
Okay, it's like 4 o'clock here and I've finished up doing some of my Christmas gifts, and I was working on my Christmas list. I thought I'd share with you kind of how I put it together. So I do a list and I kind of make separate ones. I do one for my family, I do one for Chase's family, and then I had an other list, and so that's for like neighbors or friends or teachers or whatever, but then it kind of helps me keep it separate. And what I like to do is put their name, and if I know something they're wanting or something that I want to give them, I go ahead and put that down, and then I always put like what my budget is for them. So then when I'm out shopping, say I find something for $30, but I'm only wanting to spend $15, I know not to get that, and that keeps you on track with your budget. And so that's just how I like to do it. Grady's mom, I'll link her channel down below. She's super sweet. A long time ago, not a long time ago, but a while back, she sent me this to do, and I use it all the time. This weekend, she sent me another one, and it actually says list. But I love, first off, I love that they're Ray done, but the second thing I love about them is it has these boxes so I can like check it off. First off, I want to say thank you. She sent Savannah some LOL stuff too. It was so sweet. Like I said, definitely go check out her channel. I'll link it down below. But these are the best notepads. I think they come from like Marshall's or Home Goods. But just make a list how much you want to spend on them. If you have an idea, go ahead and write that down, because when you get out in stores, sometimes you forget, like, what was it I was looking for, or what did I want to get them? So definitely just make those lists, and then I keep them in my purse. Now I also keep another list. If you can tell, I like having lists. If I'm just getting gift cards for people, like, I went ahead and wrote that all down and where from. So when I'm by these stores, I'm like, oh yeah, I need to get an Olive Garden gift card for so and so, and I try to keep that list running. And then as I mark this off, I like to mark, I'm very visual. I want to see that I marked it off, and then when it's done, I know I have all my gifts. I'm not forgetting anybody. And I just think this is a really good system. So this is how I do Christmas. And then I also carry my envelope with cash around. We are Dave Ramsey people, if you're new, and we pay cash for all of our Christmas gifts. We do not put them on the credit card. It's not, you do not buy gifts with money you don't have. And so we have our Christmas cash. And I will say sometimes if I get a better deal for somebody, then that money can flow to somebody else. But for the most part, try to stay within that budget. And you're gonna have to plan that. So if you only have like $300 to spend on Christmas, or $200 or $50, whatever your budget is, make sure you plan that out per person so you know how much you can spend. Otherwise, you're gonna go into the store, overspend, go over your budget. I would do it too. I literally have to sit down and I keep redoing my budget as I buy things, because I'm like, okay, I spent about $2 more because of tax on this person, but on this person it was on sale. And so just kind of keep moving that money around and making sure you're staying within budget, because you do not want to put gifts on a credit card. Okay, we're making dinner real fast, and so I thought I'd show you another one of our like really simple recipes. I get 3 bags. I get 1 of this and 2 of these. Focus. And then we get like chicken breast or chicken tenders, and we normally stick those out on the grill and grill them, but it is super cold and windy today, so we're just gonna put them in a skillet, and that's how we make our chicken and rice.
We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too.
Okay, so we've got all that going that I showed you, and then these are the green beans that I use. And then this is the packet. I still get a lot of questions about it, and I just put about half of this in, so this will last for about 2 green beans cans worth. So now I'm going to start that.
I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
Okay, and here is how dinner turned out. Now, Savannah hasn't been feeling well, and she just wanted like a soft grilled cheese, and she had chicken for lunch, so that's what I made her right now. But it's a really good meal, and it only takes about like 20 minutes to make it, and you get a lot of leftovers, so we'll even have lunch to heat up for tomorrow. We're gonna sit down and eat, and then I'll take you outside to show you the lights, and then I'm gonna end it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.